The koala. The koala is one of the dumbest animals in the known world. So why is it that they've been heralded all around the world as extremely dumb? Let's find out. Dumb, 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 and dumber. So incredibly cute, so incredibly cuddly. Ridiculously unintelligent, and perhaps the most stupidest of all animals in the known world. The koala has the smallest brain of any mammal on the planet. Their brains are smooth, and this makes them unable to perform any complex tasks. Most normal brains are rigid and have curvature, allowing for more complex thinking. However, not the koala. This makes the koala extra dumb. Koalas do not have any capacity for complex thinking. If one is handed some prepared eucalyptus leaves and placed before them, the koala will not know what to do with it, and it will not recognize it as food. They are too dumb to adapt to feeding behavior and cannot cope with change. If this was all that was left to eat in a forest, bereft of food, the koala would surely die of starvation. A koala sleeps around a staggering 20 hours per day. The other 4 hours are left for feeding. The main food source of these incredibly stupid animals is eucalyptus leaves. These eucalyptus leaves are very toxic and take a lot of energy to break down. On top of that, the eucalyptus leaves have a very low amount of nutrients, meaning that their main food source is not the best. This adds to the koala being oh so dumb. The offspring of a koala is called a joey. Instead of gaining nutrients from the mother's teat, they will actually nuzzle on the mother's until it leaks a small amount of diarrhea. You get the idea. A male koala, when in season, will simply do what it likes when it comes to procreation, giving little regard for the recipient as to whether they are ready for mating or not. This impacting the fact that they are astoundingly dumb. Strangely enough, koalas don't drink any water. Although they do drink some water, koalas aren't highly dependent on this resource. In the Aborigine language, the word koala actually means no water. They get their needed water and sustenance from eating eucalyptus leaves. Baby koalas, joeys, aren't very cute at all. In fact, when a koala joey is born, they are not exactly what a person would call cute. They have no hair and are around the size of a single bean. In recent years, the koala population of Australia has been ravaged by a particularly contagious strain of chlamydia. Professor of Infectious Diseases at the Burnet Institute in Melbourne, David Wilson, told the BBC that about half the koalas in Australia are infected. Even more unnerving, koalas can transmit chlamydia to any humans that come into contact with their urine, and it's not unheard of that koalas will urinate directly onto people. Meaning there are about 40,000 koalas roaming the bush in Western Australia who can potentially give people an STI just by peeing. If you harbor the illusion that koalas make a sweet cooing noise when they need to get someone's attention, you're way off base. A koala's call is much more upsetting than you'd like to think. Koalas make multiple sounds that range greatly in pitch. Most commonly, for both males and females, they produce a sickening cry like a scream of a baby when in distress. Alternatively, males create a deep bellow followed by a sequence of choppy clicks. This deep guttural sound is made primarily by males trying to call the attention of potential mates during mating season or when intimidating other males. In closing, the Aussie koala may not be the cute and cuddly specimen that you may have believed them to be. Some of their character traits are very strange indeed. I'd like to know your thoughts about what you think koalas are really like. Please like this video. If you enjoyed it, please share it around. Thanks for watching.